Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'd like to introduce our sheet metal fabrication workshop. The main components we made here are base frame, canopy, fuel tank, and silencers. Every generator, compressor, or light tower has engineering drawings. When we have the drawings ready, we will put them into production here at this workshop. So now let's check it out. And when we made the base frame canopy, we need raw material. They are called raw steel plates. We stock the plates over there, so we have to go around there and check it out. And the steel sheets we have has different sizes. They are 2 minimum, 5 minimum, 6 minimum, 8 minimum, 12 minimum, 16 minimum. They are for base frame for different genset capacity. We also have 2 minimum coral sheets for those canopies made by ourselves. When we have these steel plates ready, we will put them into this for cutting. And this is our high-tech, brand new automatic laser cutting machine. When we have these steel plates over there, and we will put them on the workbench. This workbench have we have double workbench. When we have these plates, bring them into cutting, and the next one will have this plane for standby. So they change each other to improve our work efficiency. Okay, let's check out our laser machines, how it works. This machine is with automatic program and IPG laser generator. The machine features high-speed transmission, high cutting accuracy, independent innovation, stable and flexible operation. Before, we have manual cutting machine, but the efficiency is pretty low and needs more manpower. Now we introduce this laser machine. The working efficiency is 3 times than the manual operation one. So it's greatly cutting down the working hours and save manpower energies. Here is the working frame. It can be automatic programmed or manual programmed. So when we have this program ready, then we'll put the program into operation. And they start cutting over there. And look at the cutting edge and surface. Both of them are glossy smooth. Okay, this cutting program is finished. Let's check out another side. We can see that this plane is already finished and come out from this side. And our workers will pick them up for welding or for bending. Now let's wait for our workers to come here.